Manufacturing has changed in this information age, and that's why SATO helps manufacturers connect everything to expand possibilities and produce in innovative ways. Innovating the factory with data for more sophisticated manufacturing. Giving everything its own ID is what we call tagging, and how SATO creates the future of manufacturing. It's where state-of-the-art production meets innovation, turning the status of everything and everyone on site into data to make workers' jobs easier and maximize their potential. It's about people and machines working together to manage the complicated task of tracking parts and improving productivity and quality. Join us as our solutions create a better world, connecting factories using big data to help bring new ideas to life. Keeping your business moving and connected, starting from where you are.